guys, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with a much requested video. Probably my most asked comments, like messages and things like that, are how do you use extenders? So we're gonna do a little, I guess like a demo of the different extenders that we have. And I did do one of these in the past, but the audio was messed up and I knew that I was going to be getting the wide extenders in, so I was like, I might as well just wait until I have all of the products for you guys. So we do have 3 different extenders in the shop on our white glossy paper. There's nothing printed on these, and I'm going to go ahead and go through each one and what they are used for, and then I'll just show you the Bougie versions of 2 of them and how you can make a Bougie version of this one. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first things first is I'll start with the full boxes, which is the one that kind of confuses everybody the most. So this one's called a full box extender. I don't really know, like I know the name's kind of confusing, but like I'm not really sure what else I would call them, especially at this point since they've been that way for so long. So this is a full box extender. So this is what it comes like. It's a full box, and this goes either with a half box, so you can extend a half box, like kind of make it like a little flap, or it goes in pairing with the tall box. So that's a full box because it's full box size, and then this is a tall box because it is tall box size. So one way that you can use these is, which I feel like this isn't the most used way, but I knew that there'd be some people who wanted to do this. So the one way you can do this, which it's easier to do that on the paper, but you can, so sorry about that. I have no idea what Emily's talking about. She just texted me saying she feels like she's at the opera, but I don't know what she's talking about. Okay, so why is that so loud? Okay, so you fold this in half, and then you can put the full box on top of it, making 2 extra full boxes. So that makes a tall box extender plus a full box extender. So that's one way you can use it. The second way you can use the full boxes is with a squared off half box. This is not exactly half box sized, but what you do here is you can put the full box on top and then just go ahead and put this down, or the half box, I'm sorry, squared off box, and that will make an extender there. So those are the 2 ways that you can use, and I'm sure there's plenty more ways you could get more creative, but those are the 2 main ways that you can use the full box extender. So for on top of a tall box extender or paired with a square box. So these are on the label sampler. So you can make either an extra 2 full boxes, or you can make like a little flap, which I like using these like if I do shopping and then I want to put the places where I went. I think that's really nice. Or if you're like, it's a date night and you went to multiple places, that's kind of nice. So those are the 2 ways that I like to use the full box extenders. So obviously whenever we move on to the tall box, we can obviously use that paired with the full box like I said, or you can use a full box. So if you want to extend your day, I just have this one because I've been using it for anytime I'm testing something. So what I like to do is, instead of like peeling the whole sticker off, I like to pull it up and fold it right on the sheet. So you have it folded in half, and then you can go ahead and just lay down the full box on top of it. And then you just can go ahead and place this as if it was a full box on your spread. So that is one way you can use the tall box extender as well. So there's one other type of extender, and that is a wide box extender. So this is 2 full boxes wide, hence a wide box. Not really sure what else I would have called it, but that is a wide box. So like I said, I do like to keep them on the paper, and I like to fold them in half. So this is the width of 2 full boxes. So unlike the extender, which is the height of 2 full boxes, I feel like this is literally science. So with this, you could do the same thing. You can put a full box on top if you want to make an extra 2 full boxes, or you could go ahead and grab a full box. Whoops. You could grab a full box, place her on top, and then you just have a different type of opening. So let me go ahead and put this in. And then this one just opens the wide version instead of the tall. So those are our different types of extenders. Again, I'll go through them again really quickly. So these are the full box extenders. Full box extenders can be used on top of a tall, can also be used on top of a wide, or it could be used with a squared off box. So you could totally, like I said, put this one here, and then you have the same type of idea. Then you have the tall box, which you can use, like I said, with the full box, or you can use with a like regular full box from the kit. And then you also have the wide, which opens like a book. So that is the different types of extenders. If you have any other questions, let me know down below. And then we do have them in bougie form. So we do have both the wide, so 2 full boxes wide, along with the tall. So we don't actually have the full box, but you can still make one. So if you have an Erin Condren ruler, or if you just want to fold it in half, whichever is easier, you can take the ruler, because the Erin Condren ruler is exactly 1.9 inches tall, which is the height of a full box, the newer one, not the old Erin Condren ruler. You can just go ahead and cut, and that is a full box height. So you cut it from the top. So then you can just go ahead and take your extender, fold it, and then go ahead and place the extender right on top. And that's one way to make a tall box into a full box. So you could do that, and then you can use your extra one here with a half box. Just fold this in half. So like I said, it's a little more than half, but you can just put that on there. It definitely takes a little getting used to, like a lot of different planning techniques, but after you do it a couple times, it'll be a breeze. And then you just go ahead and pop that in, and then you can use it that way as well. So those are just different ways you can use extenders. I just wanted to do a video because I do get a lot of questions on the difference. A lot of people order the full boxes thinking that they're tall boxes, and some people order the wide boxes thinking they're tall boxes, or vice versa. So I just wanted to do a quick little video, and if you guys have any other questions, let me know in the comments down below. But this is just kind of a little overview on the different type of extenders that we offer in our shop. So I hope you guys liked this quick little video, and I will talk to you guys in my next one.